Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand like operator in SQL. So the some of the operators like greater than, equal to, a basic logical operator to test single values has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch that video and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description. Now we will try to understand about like operator. So what this like operator is? So it is able to search, okay, so this D is not there, search through the rows of a database column for values that look like a pattern you describe. So for example, if you want to search for a specific pattern like characters in the database of a specific row of a specific column, then we can use this like operator. So in this way you may not be able to understand. So just by talking about that, you may not be able to understand. We will try to understand with an example. And before that, there are two special characters to denote the kind of matching. In order to match the pattern, there are two special characters, and these characters are widely used in Linux. So if you are familiar with Linux operating system, these pattern matching concepts are used. And so these are the two characters that are used. One is percentage symbol and the other one is underscore symbol, and this percentage symbol is called as wildcard symbol, and the underscore symbol is what we call it as position maker. So what this percentage symbol will do is what kind of characters it will match. That is very important to understand. Anything is acceptable, one character, hundreds of characters, or no characters. If there is space also, that is accepted by this pattern matching character. Try to understand that point. And what about this underscore? Underscore matches only one character. If only one character has to be matched, then this underscore character is used. So let's try to understand different examples here. V percentage. So the example, the pattern matching that is given is V percentage. So what it stands for is, what does that mean? What does this pattern matching, what does this means is, if the data in a column, if the value in a column starts with capital V, okay, it is also case sensitive, and percentage means after that how many characters it may have. So if it starts with capital V, it may have hundreds of characters or spaces, whatever it may be, whatever character it may be. If it starts with capital V, then all those rows are to be fetched. So what is this second pattern matching value represents? So it is underscore yes percentage symbol. So this underscore is a position maker, matches only one character. So it should have first character, whatever that character may be, it will match one character, and after that second character, and the third character should be S, small s, it means lowercase s. So the here two characters will get mapped, and after that a lowercase s, and after that any character will get mapped. Okay, so the third character should be s if any such kind of matching is there. So this is what we call it as pattern matching. So this is the pattern, and if any matching happens with this pattern, and then all those rows will be accepted. For example, if here we are having such kind of pattern, so this row will get accepted. If we have such kind of pattern in this row, then that row will also get accepted. So in that specific column, if any such kind of pattern is matching with the given pattern matching characters, then all those rows will be fetched. Okay, similarly, if you take J, means the pattern, the pattern should start with J, and after that any character, and it should end with A. Okay, and similarly ran percentage, if the first three characters should be ran, and after that any characters. Okay, so any is represented by percentage, only one character is represented by underscore. Okay, just see this query. Select star from students where name is the column name, like is the keyword, operator. So here it is operator, and it should be, because it is varchar, it should be provided in single quotes. And what is that it is asking for, what kind of pattern it is asking for? There should be two characters, and the third character should be S, and third character should be S. After that any character is acceptable. Okay, if any such kind of pattern is there within this column called name, then those entire rows, okay, so those entire rows are to be accepted. So means all the columns, that specific row, in that specific row all the columns has to be accepted. And which column we would like to search for, we are pattern matching the column name is name. So we will try to understand this on our compiler, SQL compiler. See here, the same example is provided here, and this is our table, and the column for which we are pattern matching is name column. On this column, if there should be two characters, because two characters, space should not be provided. For understanding, we have considered here space. Okay, if you so let's see this. If you delete this space, it looks like one character, but there, if you provide space, for understanding we have provided a space, but in reality we have to provide continuously. There are two underscores side by side. Okay, so two characters, and after that a third character should be S, and the fourth character, from fourth character it is going to match any character. So check for this column, is it two characters, and third character, is the third character equal to S? No, it is not. So this row will not be accepted. And if you take here two characters and the third character is S, and after that any character, so this row will get accepted. Two characters and the third is not S, third is not S. Okay, so this is how the pattern matching can be done by using like, look like. So for visualization I am telling it, like is the keyword which looks like this pattern. So get it, that is the meaning of this like operator, and it is done on single value. Okay, so what is the output? Let's check this. See, the output is Akshara, and that row is getting printed. Similarly, we'll see run percentage, means all the characters. Try to guess which row will get accepted. Okay, so this is the row that is getting accepted. R percentage means the starting character should be R, and the remaining characters, remaining any character should be accepted. So Raghu and Ranveer, both of them are getting accepted. So this is all about like command, like operator in SQL. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.